Cooking Appa.
Hi, this is Cooking Appa. Appa have some fish head cutlet here from Wild Barramundi. I'm going to braise it, yeah? So, two step, deep fry it first, then I will make it into a braised fish. So here I'm going to put in some old ginger, and this is some garlic, and this is salted black bean, some spring onion. Then we need some cornstarch, some salt, white pepper, oyster sauce, premium light soy sauce, Shaoxing wine, and some dark soy sauce. And of course, you need a bit of sugar, yeah? First of all, let's prep our fish here. We're going to give it some base flavor. Fine salt, white pepper, a bit of Shaoxing wine, or you can put in some egg, yeah, also can. Then give it some starch powder, yeah, this is cornstarch. Then you prepare a hot oil aside. We shall send this to the hot oil later. Heat up your oil until smoking point, then you can put in the fish. So fry until it is almost fully cooked, yeah? This is after the first 2.5 minutes. Let's try to flip it over. I think this barramundi fish is like almost coming to 5 kg, so it's very big. This is only half of the head. Easier to ask a seller to cut it for you, very difficult to cut it at home yourself, yeah? Because when the fish is getting real big, you can't cut it. Using the normal cleaver definitely cannot do the job. This is coming to about 6 minutes. The thinner ones is already nicely charred. I'm going to take it out and put it on top of oil absorbing paper. The thicker ones, I'll give it another 1-2 minutes. Right, so here's my our fried fish, yeah, fried fish head, yeah. Let's set it aside first. Right, then we're going to fry the sauce. We're going to prepare the sauce. Once the oil is heated up, we put in the ginger, garlic, salted black bean, and the white portion of the spring onion. Let's saute it a while before we continue. Ooh, already super fragrant. Right, then we will add in some hot water. Now let's give it some seasoning. Some premium light soy sauce. A bit of dark soy sauce for the color. To give it a bit of umami flavor, oyster sauce, some Shaoxing wine, bit of fine salt, fine sugar. Right, next thing, I'm going to put in the fish head. Give it a few stir. Almost done. Spring onion. And I'm going to off the fire. Give it some starch solution to thicken up the sauce. Give it the last few stir. And our braised fish head is ready to be served. I don't mind right before serving, give it a bit of wet pepper, yeah? Done. So I hope you like my very simple video today. If you like my video, do share my video on Facebook to your friends. Come to Cooking Appa Facebook page to click like and follow button. Follow up on Instagram and subscribe to Cooking Appa YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.